Hi everyone from YouTube. I have another video. Don't forget to subscribe, press like, hit the bell to get more videos every time I get a chance to put a video. I'm working on a 99 2000, I think it's 99 Ford F250 Super Duty with a 5.4 liter engine VA. It came in with a misfire, no power, and I I start looking for the problem, and I see the few plugs wasn't working. The spark plugs were misfiring. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I get a light here. This is a spark plug hole where the spark plug goes. See, it's full of coolant antifreeze. See the plug right there inside the antifreeze. About 3 or 4 plug jackets got full of antifreeze. That happened because the gasket went out. The intake manifold gasket uh, got broke, caught, burned, whatever, and the water started getting to the antifreeze, started getting to the plugs and leaking all the way to the bottom of the engine right there. So that was the problem on this truck. So don't forget to subscribe, press like. I've been posting more videos every chance I get. Thank you.